everyone, this is Kim and this is the Sassy Tech. Here's another topic for you. Which is better, be a network engineer, a system engineer, or a programmer? Stay tuned. Well, first, know the difference. A network engineer's main task is to design and build network infrastructure. A programmer's main task is to write software applications, while a system engineer's main task is to manage all installed systems and infrastructure. Let's go to the certifications required. A network engineer must have a good understanding of network infrastructure and hardware. Some of these network certifications are Cisco, Arista, Microsoft, Citrix, VMware, and Red Hat. Cisco is one of the most highly desirable certifications, the CCIE, CCNA, and CCNP. If you are leaning towards programming, starting out with the easier one is less overwhelming. We have Python, Java, Go, and Scala. And then, if you are eyeing system engineering, get certified with Microsoft Linux Server Administration. All paths require great knowledge. It's not all about technical skills too. Considering your soft skills, if you are a problem solver, go for network engineering. If you are creative, go for programming. If you are multidisciplinary, go for system engineering. For the average pay, the system engineer gets the highest, followed by the programmer, and then the network engineer. For further reference, especially considering your location, you may check payscale.com, indeed.com, ziprecruiter.com, and glassdoor.com. In terms of job security, consider the impact of cloud computing. Years ago, every company, even with a very few employees, had its own data center. They ran their own programs, they had their own IT staffs. Then came cloud computing. Companies need not to host their own programs. Some network engineers rely on their employers, especially when its projects were completed already. Whereas programmers can work alone as freelancers and work from home. If you will also look at job search websites, there are more demands in programming. But if you want to be rare, do 2 of them or even all of them. If you are already a network engineer, then at least learn some basic Python programming. If someone is able to be successful as network engineer, then he can also be able to be successful as programmer and system engineer. In fact, many career roles are hybrid. A network engineer requires a programming skills for automation. A system engineer specializing in virtualization needs to know the behavior of network down in the virtual layer. A programmer needs to understand the network and system function on the container level. Hybrid roles are even more in demand as they require you to see a bigger picture of organization's data center or cloud environment, resulting in a more optimized, faster, and secured application. If you need some training, here's Zuriel. Click the link below to learn more. Great day, everyone!